In this video, I'm going to show you how to moisturize your hair in your box braids without creating any frizz at all. No frizz. Hey loves, it's Angie B and welcome back to my channel. And like I said in the intro, I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair without creating any frizz. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. It is linked right down there, as well as the bell icon. Click that to make sure you're notified every single time I post a video. Let us get straight into it. So first things first, these are the products you're going to need. You will need any leave-in conditioner that works for you, water or a light like conditioner mix. This one has like a drop of conditioner in it, but you can use plain water, and whatever oil you want to use except castor oil or something mixed with castor oil, because if you watched any of my other videos, when you have box braids, you want to try and avoid castor oil. You can put it on your edges if you want to thicken those up, but I would definitely suggest to use any other oil mix, because castor oil makes your hair very soft and it definitely promotes frizz. So now I'm going to show you how I do this. This also has no buildup or anything like that. So first of all, you want to section your hair. I will part my hair down the middle and do this. So even on this side, I will work with my hair basically in two sections. Start with the back and then go to the front. So you work with a section of hair like this, and here's the magic. So if you have some sort of like braid spray or a spray conditioner, you don't have to do this method. You can literally just spray the conditioner on, and I know there are some, so I'll link them in the description box below, like Amazon. I'm pretty sure Shea Moisture and another brand I can't think of has like something similar, or a braid spray. You can use that instead. But if you just want to use the same products you already use in your hair, I'm going to show you how. So this is the leave-in. You want to use a cream, not a butter. This one is already quite thick, but I use about that amount per section. So I'll take this, put it on my palm. In fact, I'm taking some out. Then you want to get your water or whatever mix and spray it on the conditioner. And then mix it together and make sure there are no lumps at all. Then you can put your palms together like this, just to make sure everything is nicely mixed in. And you should be left with a mixture like this, just nice and milky. And you're going to put this on your hair, and you just want to end where your hair ends. There's no need to go all the way down your braids unless your hair is all the way down your braids. Just end where your hair is, because there's no point in putting the hair on this like it's plastic. You're not moisturizing, anything. You're just trying to moisturize your own hair. So also do it in a downward motion like this, because that's how you will prevent frizz. And do not put too much, because you don't want your hair to be wet. So go all the way up to your roots and put everything in a downward motion. And as you guys can see, if anything, my hair just looks a little smoother. No frizz at all. Even when it dries, it looks exactly the same. So now that we've done the back, we can do this front section. Same thing again. We have that, and we'll do it from the front. So make sure you just do this nicely all through the braids. I will do the other side off camera so I don't have to waste your time. Okay, so now that we have the moisturizer on all the braids, we are now going to move on to oils. I will separate the hair again. It really doesn't matter how you separate it. Then you're going to take your oil, whether it's an individual oil or a mix, and you're going to get about that much per section. Smart. So you don't want your hair to be like sticky or anything. That's why I'm saying just use about this much. And you do the exact same thing and just go in a downward motion on the hair, only on the hair where you put moisturizer. And if you like, you can take this opportunity to do the anti-itch thing. If you don't know how to make your braids stop itching, I will link a video in the eye and also in the description box below so that you guys can see how I prevent my hair from itching. It's basically the same thing for your scalp in terms of how to make it stop itching. So you can go ahead and put some oil on your scalp if you want, but if you've already done your anti-itch routine, then you can just do what I'm doing now. Then you get the oil and do the same thing. Everything in a downward motion. And now I will come closer to the camera so you can see that there is absolutely no frizz. You guys can see whatever frizzy-ish stuff you see was already there before. So this is the unmoisturized side. Don't know if you can hear the sound, but it even sounds drier. And this is the moisturized side. Nice and shiny. And looks nicely moisturized. That's the unmoisturized side. Moisturized side. So this is going to help your hair not break, to have beautiful, wonderful hair growth results when you undo your braids, and it can also help prevent the amount of shedding. If you have hair that excessively sheds, first of all, you probably shouldn't have box braided your hair while it was still excessively shedding, but if you did, this is going to help reduce it because you'll be taking care of your hair while it is in the braids with absolutely no frizz. Thank you so much for watching. Watch the other two videos that are on the screen right here. Hit my face there so that you guys can subscribe to this channel if you didn't in the beginning, and I will see you guys in my next video.